In today's fast-paced world, we often rush through meals without even noticing what we're eating. Mindful eating changes that. It's not just a wellness trend, it's a powerful way to build a healthier relationship with food and with ourselves. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Healthy World, and hit the notification bell for more tips on living well and feeling your best. Mindful eating is about slowing down and paying full attention to the act of nourishing your body. No distractions, no scrolling, just you and your food. By bringing awareness to each bite, you can better recognize hunger and fullness signals, enjoy your meals more, and reduce the urge to overeat. This practice isn't about restriction or labeling foods as good or bad. It's about appreciating what you eat, where it comes from, and how it makes you feel. It encourages gratitude and a deeper connection to the present moment. When we eat mindfully, we activate the body's rest and digest mode. This calms the nervous system, improves digestion, and reduces stress. It also helps us tune in to how different foods affect our energy, mood, and overall well-being. Mindful eating can support weight management by helping you eat when you're truly hungry, not out of habit or stress. It can also transform cooking itself into a mindful ritual, noticing textures, colors, and aromas as you prepare your meal. And perhaps one of the most beautiful benefits is how it deepens social connections. When we eat with presence, conversations become richer, and meal times turn into meaningful moments shared with others. If this video inspired you to slow down and savor your next meal, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Healthy World, and share your own mindful eating tips in the comments below.